Hi everyone, this is Aarushi Jain, founding partner of Chambers of Jain and Kumar. Welcome to Legal BAGEL, where I break down complicated laws into language that makes sense. I am a practicing lawyer, and today we are talking about something that affects each and every one of us, India's new digital laws. If you've ever downloaded an app, shared a post, used WhatsApp, watched Netflix, or even played a game on your phone, this episode is for you. Let's talk about what's changing, why it's happening now, what it means for you. So let's talk about the first segment today. Why new digital laws now? Why haven't we talked about them before? The internet has changed everything. How we shop, how we talk, even how we fall in love. But our laws, until recently, they hadn't changed much. It is only recently that we've seen that newer laws are coming in. Why so? The law we're using is governing the internet now. We have Instagram, Uber, iPhone, everything changing. So there are new digital laws just in 2023 and 2024 as India has introduced. We have laws for data privacy, fake news and misinformation, cybersecurity, online gaming and betting, OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, things that you watch every day are all governed by laws now. These laws are meant to protect your rights online, but they also give the government and companies new responsibilities. So we would view these laws from both sides. In segment 2 today, I would touch the aspects of the new data protection law, the DPDPA 2023 Act. So here's what it means for you. You own your data. Apps and websites now need your permission to collect personal information. They must tell you clearly what they're collecting and why. You have the right to say no. You can say no to marketing emails, delete your data, and even ask for corrections. So no longer you have to be hassled with the trouble of endless marketing emails and things like that. You'll start seeing more pop-ups asking for your consent. This is why, because it's the law now. Big fines for companies. If a company misuses your data or does not protect it, they could be fined up to 250 crores. And with those handsome amount of penalties included in the law, I think companies and business owners have to be more cautious in terms of what they're doing, and especially those looking for e-commerce and online businesses. But here's where we as lawyers keep a close eye for you on. The government has also given itself the power to exempt certain departments from these existing rules. That is raising more questions about the transparency and accountability of the entire system. Still, in my opinion, it's a major step forward in protecting your digital identity, so why not use it? In the third segment today, I'm going to be talking about the new rules for social media, news, and OTT. We've been using social media day in and day out, but do we know? What are we governed by? Let's talk about the IT rules which apply to Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, news websites, even Netflix. What's changed? Platforms must remove content quickly if flagged by the government. They must now have a grievance officer in India, somebody you can complain to if content is harmful or abusive. The government is also setting up a fact-checking unit. Platforms must act on their reports. So, if you've ever thought, why is this post still online? Or why did this video get banned? This is the legal framework behind it. But it's a tricky balance. While these rules help fight misinformation, there are concerns about censorship and free speech. My advice? Always verify content before sharing and know that platforms are being watched more closely now, just like what you're doing when you're online. In my fourth segment today, I'm going to be talking about one of the most crucial aspects about online gaming and kids' safety. Gaming apps, especially the ones that involve money, are now being regulated more strictly. Real money gaming, you will need to verify your age and identity. Games that target our children, they can't use manipulative tricks like spin the wheel ads or autoplay loops. It's about keeping online places safer, especially for kids and teenagers who may always not understand the risks attached. If you are a parent now, it is a good time to talk to your kids about online habits and maybe check those app settings together with them. So finally, what this means for you. Here's a big takeaway from all these points: the acts, the rules, data privacy, IT rules, social media, safety for yourself, safety for kids, online safety. These new digital laws are trying to do two things. Number one, protect you online, your privacy, your safety, your dignity. Number two, hold big tech companies accountable. No more hiding behind long terms and conditions. But with more responsibility and more rules, this is for all of us. This is what you can do. Read what you're agreeing to, especially when you click accept all on any online platform. Use privacy settings on your apps and browsers to double check. Don't fall for fake news. Share responsibly, whether it's on WhatsApp or Instagram. Don't create your own Instagram and WhatsApp schools here. Speak up if you're harassed or misled online. These are your legal remedies. And if something doesn't feel right, ask a lawyer. That's what we are here for. In my closing segment today, we are living more and more of our lives online. The law is finally catching up. These changes are just the beginning. I hope today's episode helped you find more and more awareness and you feel more empowered than before. If you found this useful, share this with somebody you care about, because digital literacy is the first step to digital safety.